Hi guys, the pulse motor running off the potato battery stopped within about 20 minutes of starting it running. So it did work, but not for very long. I was just wondering whether I can recharge the potatoes by putting a battery across the positive and negative. Right, that's positive. That's negative. So we're getting about 0.7 of a volt when it goes right up. It goes up and down because this is still drawing current from it, even though it's not actually spinning. A little bit of a push. Yeah, it's obviously built up a bit of charge while it's been idle, but not enough to keep it going. So what I'm going to do is put this battery between the negative and positive terminals. I can get it in there. Yeah, that's telling us 1.5 volts. So we'll leave it there for a few seconds. I say a few seconds. I'll give it a minute. So we'll come back in a minute. Right, that's a minute. So we should still be registering 1.5. Take the battery off. Nothing. Interesting. Just wasn't making good contact. So we don't seem to have made... Oh, it is going up to 7.4, 7.5. Sorry, not 0.74, 0.75. So we put something into it. A little gentle push. Because what we could do is put the battery in there and see how well it goes with the battery on it. You can see that's really... It gives it a push. It wants to go the other way. I'm not sure I've got the magnets arranged there, whether they're positive, negative, positive, negative. Or north, south, north, south, if that makes more sense. I'm guessing they're all same direction. Push it back the other way. Now we're moving. Yeah, 1.5 volts. As you can see, we're going pretty well. take the battery off. Looks like we put a bit of charge in there, but it's not staying. Yeah, it's worth a try. So it looks like it needs about 1.5 volts to run well. So I might get some more potatoes, build a bigger battery. Of course, only giving it a minute charge with a 1.5 volt battery may not be long enough anyway. I'd have to desolder this so that we're not draining at the same time as we're charging. But I think the simple answer is bigger battery. Right, that's stopped. That'll do for now. I've left that battery in circuit for probably a couple of hours now. So go on to there. We get nothing. Hang on. Right, that's showing the 1.5 volts. And it's cycling up and down, but it's definitely going up to 1.5 volts. At least it was. Yeah. So it jumps up there and jumps back down again. Oh, this fella's... I just knocked it accidentally. He will run if I give him a little push. Because we've actually got the battery in circuit at the moment. But let's pull it out. Going up to 0.74. So we put something in there. Give it a little bit of help. I put the clock there because I was thinking of time-lapsing it, but I don't expect it'll last long enough to make it worthwhile. I was trying to be positive, which is not like me at all. Yeah, we might have put a bit of power back into the potatoes, but I don't think we put anything significant in there. Nah. Yeah, with the battery in circuit, we can see it works. But if I take it out, it hasn't put enough charge back into the potatoes to make it worthwhile. And the other thing I haven't tried doing is squirting a little bit of water down there in case it's dried out. No, we're just going to have to make a bigger battery. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.